BMW just announced the end of the Z4. After nearly 9 decades, one of the most iconic open-top sports cars ever made is getting killed off. No replacement, no successor, just gone. And the last version they built? It might be the best one yet. Let me show you what that looks like. Starting at the front, and this hits you hard right away. The kidney grills on this car are massive. Wide, tall, carbon fiber finish, vertical slats, the whole front face of the Z4 is dominated by those twin kidney grills in a way that no previous Z4 ever was. It gives the car this completely different presence, more aggressive, more intimidating, less roadster, more pure predator. The LED headlights wrap tightly around the sides of the grille with this angular, almost arrow-shaped daytime running light signature. Thin, sharp, and very modern. The BMW Rondel sits right at the top center of the hood, and the bumper below has these deep carved cutouts on either corner that channel air with real purpose. The color you're seeing here is this deep ocean blue metallic, a rich, dark blue that shifts slightly in the light. It's not the same as any BMW blue you've seen before. And against the black kidney grills, it's one of the best-looking color combinations on any sports car right now. From the side, this is where the Z4 has always been stunning, and this version takes it even further. The body is extremely low, the hood is long, the cabin sits far back over the rear axle, giving it that perfect front-engine sports car proportion. Deep sculptural lines cut through the door and rear quarter, creating a light and shadow that make the body look like it's always moving. Those wheels, large, multi-spoke dark gunmetal alloys with bright blue brake calipers peeking through. The blue calipers match the exterior color, and that detail alone tells you this car was built with real intention. The soft fabric top folds completely behind the two seats, leaving that completely unobstructed open-top profile that a two-seat roadster is supposed to have. No bulk, no compromises. Around the back, sharp, angular LED tail lamps that taper inward, the BMW Rondel centered on the trunk lid, and a black lower diffuser flanked by twin circular exhaust outlets. It's clean, but not understated. It reads as fast from every angle. Inside, and this is one of the most beautiful interiors in the segment right now. The contrast between the exterior and the cabin is everything. You're in a deep blue machine on the outside, and then you open the door and you're surrounded by this full cognac tan merino leather. Rich, warm, premium. It covers the seats, the dashboard, the door panels, the steering wheel, everything. The M Sport steering wheel is wrapped in the same tan leather and sits perfectly in your hands. Behind it is a digital instrument cluster, and in the center of the dash is a horizontal touchscreen running BMW's iDrive system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and BMW's full connected services built in. The seats are these deep bucket designs, tan leather panels with dark carbon fiber side bolsters, and they hold you in place firmly without feeling restrictive. They look amazing, and they work hard. Blue ambient lighting runs along the lower door panels and center console trim, which ties the interior back to the exterior color in a subtle and very satisfying way. Now, the engine. And here is where the Z4 always delivered. The base model, the S-Drive 30i, packs a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder, making 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic. 0 to 60 in about 5.2 seconds, more than enough for open road driving, and efficient too, around 28 miles per gallon combined. But the one everyone wants is the M40i, a turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 making 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This one does 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. Rear-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic as standard, and on the final edition, you get the choice of that automatic or a 6-speed manual with no extra charge. BMW knows who's buying this car. The M40i also gets adaptive sport suspension, M Sport differential, and upgraded brakes. This is not a soft roadster. This is a proper sports car that happens to come without a roof. On safety, the driving assistance package adds blind spot detection, lane keeping assist, and forward collision mitigation. Head-up display and automated parking come in the premium package. A 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio system is also included on the final edition because when the top is down and you're moving fast, good sound matters. Pricing. The base Z4 S-Drive 30i starts at around $54,000. The M40i is around $67,000. And the final edition, the one that closes the book on the Z4 forever, starts at $78,675. BMW hasn't confirmed exactly how many final editions they'll build. They've only said the number will be very small, which means if you want one, you need to move fast, because once they're gone, that's it. Here's what makes this story genuinely sad. The Z4 was outsold by Ferraris. Think about that. A German sports car from one of the most respected manufacturers in the world, and more people were buying exotic Italian cars. The open-top sports car segment has been shrinking for years. People want SUVs, people want crossovers, and even a car this good, this well-engineered, this beautiful, this genuinely exciting to drive couldn't survive that shift. But what a way to go out. A deep blue, tan leather, twin-kidney grille, 382 horsepower manual transmission, open-top roadster that does 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. That's not a goodbye. That's a statement. The 2027 BMW Z4 Final Edition is the last of its kind. And in this version, in this color, with this interior, with this engine, it's absolutely worth remembering.